Hola, amigos. I'm out here in beautiful nature. I just wish Chucho was here to teach me the Spanish word for some of these beautiful things that I see. Like this tree. I wonder how you say tree in Spanish.
El árbol.
Who said that? Tree? Was that you? Are you a talking tree?
No, it was me. I said arbol is the Spanish word for tree.
Chucho!
See, I climbed up here in el árbol tree.
Arbor?
See, now you've learned the Spanish word for tree. Now catch.
Catch what?
Catch me. Yippee!
Chucho! Ah, gotcha.
That was a good catch, Mr. Chris. Glad you caught me.
Well, Chucho, I'm so glad you're here.
Me too.
Now we can learn the Spanish word for stuff.
Yeah.
Wait a second, Chucho.
Hmm?
How did you get here? Did you take my car again?
Hey, Mr. Chris,
What?
look at that.
What? I don't see anything. Chucho? Chucho?
Yippee! El arroyo, el arroyo. That's the Spanish word for stream. El arroyo, el arroyo. That's the Spanish word for stream. Yippee!
Okay. El arroyo. Stream. Oh, Chucho! Why are you screaming?
I thought you said a scream.
No, I said stream, not scream.
Oh, okay.
Hey, I got one. How do you say rock? Like this rock here.
Rock?
Chucho, where are you going? I wonder where he went. ¿Dónde está? What? Chucho, your drums, you brought them?
Mm-hmm.
Here, let me help you with those.
Gracias.
De nada. I thought you were going to teach us the word for rock.
Yeah, I'm gonna rock. Piedra.
Rock?
Piedra. Rock. Piedra.
Okay, Chucho.
Rock. Piedra.
Chucho.
Rock.
Chucho. That's a rap.
No, this is a rap. I'm in the woods, I'm feeling good in my nature neighborhood.
Should we practice Espanol?
Yes, I think we should. When I say rock, you say piedra. Rock.
Piedra.
Rock.
Piedra.
When I say stream, you say arroyo. Stream.
Arroyo.
Stream.
Arroyo.
When I say tree, you say árbol. Tree.
Árbol.
Tree.
Árbol.
Yeah. When you say rana, I'll say ribbit. Rana. Ribbit.
Rana?
Ribbit. Una rana. Hola, rana. Hola.
Hola, rana.
Hola. Ribbit. 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 I want to dance a little bit. You want to dance, que bailar? Please, can we? Por favor, Mr. Chris.
All right.
Ribbit. 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 Now we're gonna dance a little bit.
Play that beat and don't quit.
I will paradiddle it. Paradiddle, 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 stop. Ribbit. Paradiddle, 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 stop. Ribbit. Paradiddle, 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 stop. Ribbit. Ribbit. Yay!
Yeah, guys. Good job. All right, let's get out of here.
See you later.